Good morning, students. In this today's class, we are discussing reactions due to the alpha hydrogen atom. In the aldehydes and ketones, we are discussing and reactions due to alpha hydrogen atom. Okay? This is very important for the examination. Reactions due to an alpha hydrogen atom. Then, how we will identify the alpha hydrogen atom? Okay? Whatever attached to the alpha carbon atoms are known as alpha substituted, or the hydrogen which are attached to the alpha carbon atoms are known as an alpha hydrogen atom. Then how to identify an alpha carbon atom? Okay, consider this is an functional group. Okay, I will take here. This is an functional group. The first carbon atom which is attached to the and functional group are known as an alpha carbon atom. Okay? The second one is known as beta. This is alpha carbon atom and this is beta carbon atom. Okay? The first functional group is here aldehyde. तो इधर functional group कौन सा है? aldehyde है, carbohydrates which is attached to the first carbon atom. Then first carbon atom is known as alpha carbon atoms, and the hydrogen which are attached to the alpha carbon atoms are known as an alpha hydrogen atom. Okay? मालूम है यहाँ पे भी alpha hydrogen in the sense जो भी alpha carbon पे attached है hydrogen उसी को हम बोलते हैं alpha hydrogen atoms. Then due to the presence of an alpha hydrogen atom in the carbonyl compounds, mainly there are two types of reactions, that is important reactions. First one, aldol reaction, that is aldol condensation reaction. The first one is the aldol condensation reactions, and the second important reaction is an cross aldol condensation reaction. Okay? We will see first aldol condensation reaction. Aldol means the compound which contain aldehyde as well as an alcohol are known as aldol compounds. Okay? जो भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स में aldehyde भी प्रेजेंट है, फिर अल्कोहल भी प्रेजेंट है, such compounds are known as aldol compounds. Okay? Then let us see how the aldol condensation reaction will be carried out. Then the aldehydes which react with this, first take the aldehydes CS2, the RCS2, C double bond O H here, plus I will take another aldehyde here, then R dash, then here CS2, okay, CS2 the place of CS2 I will take like this, H here, okay, then C double bond O H. When, so once again see the sentence for aldol, that is aldol condensation reaction. First I will tell the sentence and again then I will write the reaction here. The same aldehydes when react in the presence of an dilute NaOH, then it will use the aldol product, which on heating it will use the an aldol condensation product, that is an alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Once again I will tell, when the same aldehydes here, same aldehydes are ketones, when same aldehydes are ketones are reacted with the dilute NaOH, then it will use the aldol, which on heating it will produces an alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Then that reaction is known as aldol condensation reaction. Okay? Then let us see how the reaction will be carried out in the aldol condensation reaction. Here both are the aldehydes. We can take the aldehydes are ketones, that must be aldehydes must be same and ketone must be same. And aldehyde here I am taking, due to an electron withdrawing group, the electron will be moved shift towards the oxygen, and this will be shift to the this side, and this will be shift to the this side, then it will become the hydrogen. Due to the delocalization of electron, the oxygen will get the partial negative charge and carbon will get the partial positive charge. oxygen will get the partial negative, and here carbon will get the partial positive charge. Here the hydrogen is positive charge and this one will act as a negative charge. The positive part attached to the negative part here, and the negative part attached to the positive part here. This reaction is carried out in the presence of an dilute NaOH, that is dilute sodium hydroxide. This reaction is carried out in the presence of an dilute NaOH. Then it produces the compound. That compound is known as an aldol compound. Let us see how the aldol compound will be formed here. R CS2, then here C, then addition of one hydrogen, then it will become the OH group, and one hydrogen here, and this part, that is this much part will be attached to the carbon atom, then C here, H and R dash, then C double bond OH. In this compound is known as an aldol compound. Okay, the aldol product. Why it is known as aldol? Because here the aldehyde has a functional group and also the alcohol is also a functional group. Two functional groups are present in this compound. One is aldehyde, another one is an alcohol, and such compounds are known as an aldol. ALD refers for the aldehydes, OL refers for the alcohol. Therefore, the reaction, that is the compound, is an aldol compound. Okay. Then another way, this carbon, that is functional group, were attached to the first carbon atom. That first carbon atom is known as alpha carbon atom, and the second carbon atom is known as beta carbon atom. The functional group OH, the first according to the priority list for the nomenclature of an organic compounds containing more than two functional group, different functional groups are present according to the IUPAC system. According to the IUPAC system, the first priority list will be followed. The priority list, in the priority list, when we observe both the functional groups are present, then in such cases the aldehydes are considered as an principal functional group and alcohols are considered as an substituent group. And in such cases, the prefix for the alcohol is hydroxy. The hydroxy is present in the second position, therefore the name is given as beta hydroxy. Here the product is beta hydroxy, that is carbonyl compound. Okay? Beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. If it is an aldehyde, then beta hydroxy aldehyde. If it is an ketone, then beta hydroxy ketone. Okay? This is in the formation of an aldol. This much reaction is known as an aldol reaction. Then what is condensation? If we heat this reaction, suppose if we start heating the reaction, then the elimination of water molecule takes place. The condensing of water molecule will take place. Elimination of water will take place from the compound. OH group is eliminated from the beta carbon atom and hydrogen is eliminated from the alpha hydrogen atom. Then alpha carbon atom to combine together to form an water molecules. Then the unsaturation will be created between the alpha and beta carbon atom. The unsaturated will be created between the alpha and beta carbon atom. Then this compound is known, that is here, this alpha carbon atom and this is a beta carbon atom. There is an unsaturation present between the alpha and beta carbon atom. Therefore, these compounds are known as alpha, beta, unsaturated, alpha, beta, unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Okay? Carbonyl compound. If it is an aldehyde, then we will write the aldehyde. If it is ketone, then we will take the ketone. Okay? This is the complete reaction here. This complete reaction is known as an aldol condensation reaction. Okay? Once again, I will repeat this reaction. Whenever the same aldehydes, I am using the word same, whenever the same aldehydes or ketones react in the presence of dilute NaOH, then it will give the aldol product, which on heating it will produce the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Then the complete reaction is known as an aldol condensation reaction. Okay. Then copy down this. We will see the number of examples in this class. Okay, copy down this. Okay, welcome back. The example one. First one example. Consider, okay, example when aldehydes, okay, I will write here short aldehyde. We will take the example of an, in the place of aldehyde we will take the acetaldehyde. And the acetaldehydes react with the dilute NaOH. The same aldehydes react with the dilute NaOH or react in the presence of dilute NaOH and it will use the aldol, that is acetal. We call it as acetal. Okay. Okay, we call it as acetal. Then further on heating, it will use the elimination of water molecules and use the alpha beta unsaturated products. Okay, unsaturated aldehydes. That is compound is the acetaldehyde. It will use the acetaldehyde. Okay. So let us see how the reaction will be carried out. Write the, that is structure of an acetaldehyde CS3 C double bond O here H. Okay. The reaction in this reaction the compounds which contain an alpha hydroxyl atom, those only takes place the aldol condensation reaction. Okay. So here consider and formaldehyde here. Okay. Formaldehyde C double bond OH here. The formaldehyde does not contain an alpha hydrogen atom, therefore formaldehyde will not show the aldol condensation reaction. Then the aromatic aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde, here C double bond OH, the alpha carbon atom does not contain any hydrogen atoms, therefore the benzaldehyde also will not show the aldol condensation reaction. Okay. Here formaldehyde and benzaldehyde will not take place and aldol condensation reaction. Okay. And therefore I am taking the second member, that is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde, that is this is the functional group and attached to this carbon atom. This carbon atom is known as an alpha carbon atom. In the alpha carbon atom there are an alpha hydrogens are present. Then plus and C H H here H, then C double bond O H here. This is the alpha carbon atom. The hydrogens which are attached to the alpha carbon atoms are known as an alpha hydrogen atom. Then the these three hydrogen, one of the hydrogen atom will combine with the oxygen and this part will be attached to the carbon atom. That is same mechanism will take place here. The displacement of electron takes place towards the oxygen, and oxygen will get the partial negative charge and carbon will get the positive charge. Here the displacement of electron takes place towards the oxygen, then therefore this carbon is get the negative charge and this hydrogen will get the positive charge. Positive, negative, negative, positive. Then it will produce, that is, this reaction is carried out in the presence of dilute NaOH. This reaction is carried out in the presence of an dilute NaOH. Then the product will be the CS3 here C double bond, that is OH, it will become the OH, and here hydrogen. Then this part will attach to the carbon atom. Then CH2, one of the hydrogen will attach to the oxygen. Then remaining hydrogen is 2. Then C hydrogen here. When this compound is heated, okay, this compound is, name of this compound is an aldol. That is, aldol is contained in the acetal. This compound is known as an acetal. That is beta hydroxy. IUPAC name is beta hydroxy here. Okay, we will write another name for this acetal, beta hydroxy 1 2 3 4, that is beta hydroxy butanol. IUPAC name is beta hydroxy butanol. Okay, so 4 carbon atoms are present, therefore bute, it is an functional group is, and aldehyde, therefore we are writing the AM. Therefore the name for this compound is beta hydroxy butanol. When it is on heating, the elimination of water will take place, the condensation of water will take place. The OH group from the beta carbon atom combined with the hydrogen of an alpha carbon atom and eliminate in the form of water, and the remaining part is CS3 C here H double bond CH C double bond OH. Okay, so here first one is the alpha carbon atom and this is the beta carbon atom here. Then the unsaturated created with alpha and beta. Therefore, it is known as alpha and beta unsaturated. That is carbonyl compound. Here aldehyde particular write the particular name for this compound. There are 4 carbon atoms in the parent chain group. It is an unsaturated. Unsaturated is present on the 1 2 3 4. Present on the second position, it is 2 E. Functional groups are present in A and bute 2 enol. The IUPAC name for this compound is bute 2 enol. Okay. This is the example, one example for the aldol condensation reaction, and the second example, that is, take an acetaldehyde. First one is acetaldehyde, then second one propanaldehyde. Take the propanaldehyde here. When the propanaldehyde means when propanaldehyde react with propanaldehyde in the presence of an NaOH, that NaOH must be in the dilute condition. The NaOH must be in the dilute condition, then it will use the compound and aldol here. So aldol, it will produce the aldol, which on heating it will produce the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound here, aldehydes. Then make the reaction. This is the homer, and this third one also a homer. Third one, the ketone. Okay, ketone first member, take the acetone. तो घर में क्या करना है, प्रोपेनॉलडिहाइड एंड एसिटाल्डिहाइड सेपरेटली. सेम प्रोपेनॉलडिहाइड अगर रिएक्शन किस तरह दिखाता है, रिएक्शन किस तरह बनता है, ट्राई करो. फिर एसीटोन किस तरह रिएक्शन शो करता है, कंपाउंड कौन सा दिखाता है, पूरा रिएक्शन घर में ट्राई करके आ जाना. फर्स्ट कॉपी डाउन दिस एंड वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.